Hello guys and welcome back to Cloud Hub. Today we will see how to launch a website on a AWS Windows Instance. In the later videos, we will see how to launch a website on Ubuntu as well as Linux instances. First, we launch an instance, a Windows instance. Now, here I'll give the instance a name as web server. I'll choose Windows system. The instance type as T2 micro. I'll create a key pair named server or web server. .pem for Windows, create key pair. It is being downloaded. Then in the security group, we will need HTTP as well as HTTPS so that we'll be able to connect to the instance over the internet. So we gain traffic from the internet as well. The number of instances is 1 and click on launch instance. We'll go to instances. So here we can see that this instance is in pending state yet. As soon as it comes into running state, we will continue forward. It might take 3 to 4 minutes. Yes, the server is up and running. So we'll connect to it. We'll go to RDP client. We'll download the remote desktop file. We'll go to get password. We'll browse for the file, which is web server. Decrypt password. And we've received the password. So we'll open our file. Click on connect. Till it gets connected, we'll see for a web server, the first thing which we will need is the website. So let's get to the website first. We will get the website at free CSS. We'll go to free CSS. Here we can file templates. So we'll get the first one. We'll click on download. It will be downloaded. We have it. We'll extract the files. We have the website files here. Now we have downloaded the website files and we have connected to the instance also. So as soon as we get completely connected to this instance, we'll start forward. Here we are connected to the instance, and first thing which we need to do is to copy our website files or the website that we have to publish to that instance. We'll copy it to the C drive. The copying speed and the working speed depends on our network speed. I'm copying the files here. Up till then, we will set up the web server. Now for setting up the web server, we will need to go to the server manager of our instance. So we'll type on server manager in a search bar. We'll go to server manager. The server manager presently is collecting the data of his server. The first thing is we have to add roles and features. But for adding this, we'll have to wait so that all the roles and features that are there for the server manager that it is getting connected, it finishes up the collection. So it has done now. We'll click on add roles and features. We'll click on next. Next, we have to go to server roles. So by clicking on next, we'll go to server roles. Here we have to select web server IIS, which means Internet Information Service. As soon as we click on this IIS box, we'll have this add roles and feature wizard. We'll click on IIS management console, click on add features, click on next. Again, we'll keep clicking on next up till we come to install. Then I click on install. This will install a web server application for our Windows instance. The installation is started. Up to this installation gets completed, we have now copied the web server files or the website files in our C drive. In this, we have another folder and then we have the index file. For all those who don't know, the index file will be the file which will be found or which will be searched by the IIS protocol, IIS server, so that it launches the index page. So while giving the path to our website, we'll have to give up till the folder in which the index file is, that is Bootstrap Restaurant template. As soon as this installation gets completed, we'll continue forward. As you can see, the installation has succeeded. We'll close this. Now we have the IIS tab in the left pane of our server manager, which we didn't have first. On clicking on IIS, we'll get the detailed information of our server. I'll right click on it. I'll select Internet Information Services Manager because we have installed IIS. We'll manage it. In the left pane, we get the server name. We'll expand it by clicking the arrow. We'll expand sites and go to default website. In the right pane, we find a tab for basic settings. We'll click on basic settings. In the physical path, we'll have to give the path of the folder which contains our website. So our website is this one. Our website is in this folder. I'll expand it, but our index file is in Bootstrap. So I'll click on Bootstrap and then I'll click OK. Select OK again. I'll just restart the server manager and I'll minimize the machine. Even if I disconnect the machine, it's fine. So we'll go to instances page. Now, The web server machine is running. I'll select this. Here we find the public IP address of this machine. I'll copy that public IP address, go to a new tab. I'll paste this. I'll use HTTP protocol. As you can see that the heading restaurant has been opened. We'll also try opening it from another browser. In our first browser, the website is open. It is the same template which we downloaded, so we don't have access, we don't take anything from this, but we can change the components of the page. If you know HTML, you can change it by going directly to the code on your machine. The next web browser, also the website has been opened. While you are doing this, until the machine is active, you can see, you can access this website also on your phone, tablet, anywhere. So this is how we can set up a website and launch it from a Windows instance. Now, if you directly terminate this instance, then also the website won't be able to be shown. I'll just disconnect this machine. Even if I disconnect this machine, the website is showing because the website is in running state. But when I change or stop this machine, that is terminate this machine, I won't be able to see this website on this page. So if I stop the instance and restart the machine, then too the IP address will change. I cannot see the website on this same IP address. This will need a static IP address, which we will be looking in some of the further videos. But up till this machine is running, you can see the website. I'll terminate this machine. Upon complete and successful termination, we'll refresh this page and we'll see that this page cannot be loaded any further. After shutting down this machine, we can see that the service for this website or for this IP address is not available. So I hope this gives a clear picture of how to set up an IIS manager on your Windows instance and setting up a website for it. In the next videos, we'll be looking at the web service hosting of a web service on Linux and Ubuntu machines. Thank you.